All right.
Okay. What's your name and the name of your profession or business?
My name is Reinaldo Vandres. I am trained as a public relation. I start in the entertainment industry and I do many things.
Awesome. And what did you think about ChatGPT before the mastermind?
No one had the ability to define it and describe it, and it was like a big mystery, like commercial attention, and the only person that described it and demystified was Manuel Suarez in his seminar workshop this weekend.
Awesome. And so did you learn enough this weekend where you could be confident in using ChatGPT for your business or your business endeavors?
Absolutely. The quality and the research that Manuel Suarez put on these, it's just beyond reality. The definition, the sequence, how you apply, why is this element that he explained in the workshop. This is tremendous value for any commercial activity, big business, small business. I think this is going to boost the economy because the new future is online marketing.
Awesome. And in your own words, what was the whole experience like?
Fantastic. The staff, the facilities, the care factor of his dedication, his passion reflected on the staff and the material, the finding, the work that staff put to put the material, you know, the graphics, the explanation, the videos, a lot of work. So this is tremendous values. It's a lot of work to put these, a lot of many hours to put this type of activity, type of material.
Thank you.